Solar power generators are a great off-grid alternative power source for light use. Portable solar power generators are more lightweight, don't produce any fumes nor run on fossil fuels, and don't make noise like regular portable generators. Our quick portable solar power generator buying guide to help you decide which portable power station is most suitable for you. Number 1. Rockpoles 250 watt https://amazon.to/tunecog1. Rockpoles 250 watts portable power station is a perfect power source for both indoor use and outdoor activities such as camping, hunting, fishing. It can also provide emergency backup power source during power outages. Featuring a built-in 3.7-volt 60Ah battery, can be recharged by wall outlet/car/compatible solar panel. Perfect emergency backup power for home/travel/camping, charging up your tablets, iPhone, iPad, laptops, fans, TV, lights and CPAP machine. Number 2. Goal Zero Yeti 150 https://amazon.to/2mushb. Reliable portable power to take outside, in the camper, to a picnic, or use during a power outage. A small, all-in-one power bank designed to charge phones, tablets, small laptops, and more. It's easily recharged by plugging into an outlet at home and pairs well with Goal Zero's line of rugged solar panels for an on-the-go solution. Solar panels sold separately. Number 3. Jackery Explorer 240 https://amazon.to/2eclog7. Founded in California in 2012, Jackery specializes in providing outdoor green power solutions for explorers. Jackery Portable Power Station, power outdoors. Jackery Explorer 240 is equipped with a 240 watt-hour lithium-ion battery pack, no fuel or gasoline needed, no fumes, no clanging. Pack light for your next camp trip with Jackery Portable Power Station. Portable power station specially designed for charging laptops, mini cooler, drone and other outdoor electronics. Number 4. Jackery Power Pro https://amazon.to/2vtpdqv. To explore outdoor life with Jackery Power Pro portable solar-powered outdoor generator. It is a great camping partner who can explore the outdoor activities together with you. One of the smallest and lightest 500 watt-hours rechargeable portable solar and battery-powered generator, power supply, station, quiet power for base camps, cabins, emergency backup and unexpected outages. Number 5. AquaPower 150 watt-hours https://amazon.to/tunesif. AquaPower 150 watt-hours/40,800 mAh portable generator power supply solar energy storage lithium-ion battery is silent and zero emissions electric generator. It is a gas-free generator with a pure dual-modified sine wave output to efficiently power up your lights, smartphones, tablets, appliances or electronic devices without overload.